In the era of Industry 4.0, welding is no longer just manual work. It is now combined with modern technology, automation, and high-tech industrial skills. At Noble School of Engineering, students don't just learn the fundamentals of welding. They are also trained through hands-on practice and real industry experience to become skilled workers ready for today's workforce. Through our 17-month welding program, designed to open doors to career opportunities across various industries. Trainees will gain the skills and confidence to cut and weld metals like carbon steel and aluminium. In collaboration with Sapura Energy, the welding program at Noble School of Engineering provides direct access to career opportunities in the oil and gas sector, equipping students with the skills and exposure needed for real industry employment. Start building your future today and become the skilled professional the industry needs. Come join us, Noble School of Engineering.